Now, something that we have to understand about blood tests. Blood tests test extracellular fluid, meaning the fluid and what's outside of our cells. So our cells are the things that we want to give all of our nutrients to work. When our ovary cells have what they need, they know what to do. When our brain cells have what they need, they know what to do. When our liver cells have what they need, they know what to do. You get the picture. So yes, when we look at the blood, that can tell us if something's really wrong. It's sort of like when we have, oh, there's a garbage truck coming, I'm going to turn around. When we have a high amount of something inside our cells, then we might be wanting to get rid of it inside the blood or take it out with a garbage truck, like what I just avoided there. But sometimes if we have low amounts, we might have low amounts inside the cell and inside our blood as well. So it's always important to look at what's happening inside the cell and also what's happening in the blood. It's like a garbage truck or an Amazon delivery truck. That's what we see in our blood. But we're not seeing what's inside the warehouse or inside our house. How we see that is we look at our tissues or intracellular tissues. So that is things like our hair, our skin, and our bones. It hurts when you get a bone graft and it hurts when you get a skin graft. It's much easier to test your hair. This is why I love looking at hair tissue mineral analysis, because it tells us what our cells have to work. So things like calcium and potassium, if they're off, our thyroid might not be working very well, even though our blood tests say there's nothing going on. Things like our iron and copper ratio. Our blood test might say we don't have an iron issue, but our hair test might say otherwise. Our hair test can tell us what's happening inside the tissues with our heavy metals. There's so much information out there. So just remember, if a blood test says there's nothing wrong, it's looking at what's in the Amazon delivery truck and what's in the garbage truck. It's not looking at what's inside the cell or inside your house, because that is what you need to help all of your cells work well. It's important to look at all of them and take them all into consideration to understand what your body is trying to tell you, and always combine that with your symptoms. Tools and tests, or tests are tools, they aren't a diagnosis.